Why did you take my pen?
Oh, I didn't. I just borrow it.
Without asking me, that's called stolen.
Relax, drama queen. It's just a pen.
Drama queen, you stole my pen?
Fine. Here. Happy now?
No, because I know you used it, Alap.
Oh, please. You are so ridiculous.
Okay, I am ridiculous. Don't take my things again.
Oh, and you don't touch my everything.
I will take your things.
Why are you take? I also take your things.
No, don't take my things again. And you are so annoying.
Pen.
Where is my sandwich? Where is my sandwich? It is missing. I have one. Did you eat it?
No, maybe it's ran away because you make boring sandwich.
Very funny. Did you eat it?
What if I eat?
Then I am going to all your snack and eat.
Oh, touch my snake, I will eat you.
I will beat you.
Oh, I will not be wearing fingers and I also beat you.
I will one slip and round.
Oh, touch.
Really?
Really?
Who ate the last piece of cake?
Oh, I did. It was calling my name.
That was my piece.
Oh, but it looked so good.
You always do this, Rajni.
Like it was just cake. I will make more.
Better. You next time ask first.
Fine, I promise. But that cake worth it.
Okay.
Hey Rachna, you deleting my game progress.
Oops, my bad. Sorry.
Oops, I spent weeks on that.
It's just a game. Just chill.
Not it's game, it's my game. And you ruined it.
You can always start over from level 1.
Okay, fine.
Hey Kiran, did you change my music playlist?
Yes, I have added some my favorite songs.
But I didn't ask for your help.
Trust me, your playlist needed upgrade.
No, it didn't need anything. Now I have to fix it.
Come on, you will like my song.
It's not just a point. It was my playlist, Sophia.
Fine, be picky. And why are you wearing my favorite hoodie?
Hey, it's comfy, so I borrowed it.
Without asking.
Hey, relax. It's just a hoodie.
But it's my favorite hoodie.
Hey, you are so sensitive. Oh. Excuse me. May I help you, ma'am?
Yeah, I have lost my keys.
Okay. We just find out. Oh, ma'am, there is your key.
Oh, thank you so much.
Welcome. Ma'am, by the way, what are you doing here?
I'm here to just wondering.
Oh, so may I
And
know?
you?
I'm also just here for wondering. So, may I know your name, please?
Yeah, of course. My name is Rachna Kumar, and you?
Yeah, and I'm Gayatri. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah, by the way,
Karan, you eat the last slice of pizza?
Yeah, so what?
That was mine.
It was only in the box.
Now I'm going to eat your ice cream.
Okay, touch it and we will see who's brave.
You're so irritating.
Yeah, I know.
I will kill you.
Thank you. Kill me. Okay, bye. Now I'm going.
Start.
why is my book missing some pages?
The made good paper planes.
Are you sure that's my homework?
Oops, now you have any excuse?
Now I am going to fold you into a paper plane.
Of course,
You're so annoying and irritating. I will kill you.
I will slap you.
Have you dare?
Go.
Hey Aman, where is my laptop?
Oh, I took to watch movie.
You took it without asking me.
Oh, you are not using it.
But that is not point. You can't tough anything.
Oh, I will give you back. It's a not big deal.
But it is big deal. I am work on that laptop.
Oh, relax, guys. It's fine. I didn't delete anything.
Okay, give it wisely.
Okay, thank you.
Hey Rashi, hello.
Hey Dee, hi.
Can I borrow your pen for a minute?
Yeah, sure, you can borrow my pen.
Thank you so much. Actually, I forget at my home.
Okay, no problem. You can keep it for today.
Really? That's so sweet of you.
Oh no, it's just pen. You can keep it and you can give back me tomorrow.
Okay, thank you so much. I promise that I will return it you tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
So thank you so much.
Okay, welcome.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hey, did you touch my phone?
Maybe what's happened?
I had it organized. Now it's mess.
You call that organized?
Just don't touch my stuff again.
Okay, fine.
But your phone is so boring anyway.
Oh really? Just
Yeah.
go to hell.
Dilip,
What are you doing? It's my shoes na.
Yeah, but they fit me better.
But it's mine yaar.
Okay, calm down. Sharing is caring.
But where it's my stuff?
Okay, calm down. I will give you back. Okay.
Okay.
See, are you going to school trip tomorrow? Yeah, I can't wait. We are going to zoo. Am I right? Yeah, I love animals. And what about you? Me too. I want to see this lion. Yeah, I also want to see monkey because they are so funny. Yeah, this trip going to so much fun. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Hey Ramika, it's raining today. Yes, I like rain, don't you? Not really, but I forgot my umbrella. So let's go together. Okay, that would be great. Thanks.